In this video, I'm going to share with you a massive niche in 2026. And I'm not going to drag it out. I'm going to tell you what it is right now. It's 2026 Journal Planner. And if you go into Etsy and you type this in, you are going to see a lot of results. But I've got special software that allows me to see estimated sales each month. I can see here this first one, for example, the all-in-one digital planner, has monthly sales of almost 2,600. Yes, you read that correctly. It's in 20 plus baskets. It's $1.44. Monthly sales, almost 2,600. If you do the math on this, the total sales are almost 30,000, and at $1.44 Canadian, and this is on sale, so it might have been more. This is well over $30,000 that this author has made writing this digital bundle for clients. And I'm going to drill down on this niche in this video and show you exactly how you can make sales in competitive spaces like this on Etsy. In this video, I'm going to be using Everbee. And as you can see here on the screen, it's a pretty cool tool. I've clicked on keyword research and then I've typed in Daily Journal 2026. That gets me back a search volume of about 1,000 per month. But there's only 1,000 listings. That gets us an incredible keyword score of 980, which is really, really high. Usually anything over 0 is a good thing. 10, 20, 30 is great. 100's really good. This is 980. And check out the related keyword scores below as well. 770, 790, 2,500. There's all sorts of great niches here, sub-niches inside of this daily journal niche. So let's take a look on Etsy and see what we're dealing with when we type in Daily Journal 2026. What does that actually mean? Okay, so this is a strategy on Etsy that a lot of people don't like, but I'm a big fan of it. And the strategy is you offer an incredible value for your clients, a massive bundle, and then you list it at a ridiculously low price so that you undercut the competition and you wind up making a lot of sales. So we can see here, this listing is 16 months old. It's been up for about a year, a little over a year. It was originally $5.74 Canadian. They've now got a sale where it says 75% off. So when you look at the monthly sales of 2,600, yes, it's only $1.44. And a lot of people will turn their nose up at it and say, what's the point? But when you're making 2,600 of these sales, this adds up to a full-time paycheck, a full week's worth of wages, in some countries an entire life-changing amount that you could get from this listing. So what's in here? Well, we can go down here to the item details and we can see this is an all-in-one digital planner and it's a template that you can use. And it's tested and used on these different platforms. And notice how they've put in iPad, Android, Windows, Sunday Start Planner, Monday Start Planner. And then this is really important as well. They have really good thumbnails where you can see exactly what it is. Here's a great example. I'm just going to expand this out. Today, focus, prioritize what's important, schedule, improve, to do, meal and hydration plan, affirmation and gratitude. There's all sorts of great looking thumbnails here that help the client realize, you know what? Rather than me spending hours and hours of my time for less than the price of a cup of coffee, I can get this huge bundle, which I can then use to improve my life. So don't be afraid to spend a lot of time making a really high quality item and list it for a ridiculously low price, because you'll get your money long term by making sales, and a lot of them. Here's another one. This is a massive bundle. This is 360 pages, multiple sizes, and we can see there's all sorts of different trackers in here. There's different cover pages, lots of different content, and yearly trackers. Now, if you're like me, you're probably thinking, how can I scale this out? Because if you make a yearly tracker for 2026, it stands to reason that a year later, you could make a similar tracker for 2027. So make sure to save your templates that you create, because you can always update them later on with a future year or even a future reason. You might also be looking at the graphics and you might be underwhelmed. Some people like simple graphics. Some people like complex graphics. Some people like white pages. Some people like dark pages. The fonts also come into play. So take a look at what's being offered and ask yourself, can you make something different? I'm not in any way suggesting you just blatantly copy the designs, but can you add value to it by having a different theme, a different motif? Here we can see this 2026 journal planner is $12.18. It's actually originally $30, which for a digital download is a very high price. We can see this is a 2-month-old listing and they've sold over 1,000 of these. That comes out to about $12,000 in gross revenue, which for one bundle is a great return on your investment. So you want to ask yourself, how much time do you want to spend on a bundle? If you knew you could make $10,000 in a bundle, would you spend an entire weekend making it? Maybe an entire month making it? If you're wondering, by the way, how I can see this information at the top of the screen, I'm using the Everbee app. So if you're using Google Chrome like I am, you can go to the Google Chrome store and you can download the Everbee app. And what that does is syncs up your Everbee account with Etsy, so that when I scroll through Etsy, I can not only see the different thumbnails, but I can immediately see the different monthly sales. And by simply clicking on the listing, I can see much more information. So here, for example, I can see the all-in-one digital planner for 2026, 2027, and 2028 for less than $1. And you might think, man, that's nothing. Less than $1, 874 sales. That's definitely something. Total sales over 1,700. This is only a 3-month-old listing. So yes, this is a massive, big bundle. It's a ton of work. However, if I analyze the listing here using the Everbee app, I can see the monthly revenue, the views, and I can also go down here to the bottom, and I love this part. I can see the tags. I can expand out the tags, and I can see very high keyword scores here. This is hitting in search. If you're a brand new store and you're looking to get sales, this is definitely an area where you could make some headway. So here's what I would recommend you do. You follow these steps. Number 1, pick a listing that you think you can compete with, and you might want to invest in buying the bundle. And I'm not suggesting you buy the bundle to then resell it. Absolutely not. What I'm suggesting is you buy the bundle, use it as a customer for a week, few days, a month, get a feel for what you like about it, and just as importantly, what you don't like about it. And then use that information, your real world experience, to make a better bundle. So you want to compete in this niche by offering a superior product. And if you're a writer, if you're a creator, if you're a graphic designer, this can be a great opportunity for you to stake your claim on Etsy. I'll be honest, a lot of these bundles, they look simple and they look useful, but they're not exactly dynamic. A lot of the thumbnails are very bloated and busy, and there's not really a ton of different themes. So you could take a great looking bundle and change it to be different themes. So here's a great example. This is brand new. This is a 1-month-old listing, 2026 Forest Goddess Planner Notebook Pagan Wreath Art. So this is themed, going after a very specific niche market. People who like pagan, witchy stuff. Now it's only 1 month old, but hey, they've already made a sale, and they can repurpose this bundle to make it different themes as well, different years, different reasons, and different themes. I'll put a link to Everbee in the video description below. I love it. I use it all the time. Just a heads up, it is an affiliate link. That just means if you click on the link and you purchase the Everbee subscription, I would receive a small commission. I love journals. I love making sales, and I know that you can too. Here's another video where you can have some fun in the world of digital downloads.